In the name of Almighty Allah, hello audience, welcome to Dawn Times. So today we will discuss about Islamic Studies MCQs of CSS 2007. So in this video I will discuss just 10 MCQs. So the first one is how many stages the Holy Quran contains. So it is option B 7. And who was the first writer of Wahi in Quraysh? So it is option B, Hazrat Zaid bin Sabit radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. So option B. And Kitabul Asar compiled by, so it is option A, Imam Abu Hanifa. So Kitabul Asar was compiled by Imam Abu Hanifa. And Imam Shafi took the office of religious judgment in at the age of 15 years. So it is option D. And what was the name of foster sister of the Holy Prophet? So it is option D, Hazrat Shima. And Namazi Istisqa is a prayer for, so it is option C. Namazi Istisqa is offered for rain. And who is called Saki Zamzam? So it is option A, Hazrat Abbas Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha. And the kissing of the Hajri Aswad is called, so option C, Istilam. And what is the number of Ramazan in the Islamic calendar? So it is option B, ninth. And Ramzan is the holy month among all Islamic months. And give the name who compiled first work of Ahadith Sahifa Sadiqa. So it is option C, Hazrat Abdullah bin Amr. So thanks for watching Dawn Times. God bless you all. Thank you.